Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video we will discuss the today's slot pseudocode questions with explanation and solution. And guys, I will share this PDF, the solution PDF, explanation PDF on our Telegram channel, guys. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, guys, please go and join this channel, because I am daily updating with you placement hiring as well as material. Okay, so let's start, guys, today's slot questions. And if you have not followed our Infosys playlist, guys, go and follow and check out that. Okay, so let's discuss, guys, one by one. So this one is our first pseudocode, so let's see how to solve. Okay, and guys, one very important thing is, guys, है ना, Infosys has changed the platform of exam. ठीक है, जो एग्जाम होता था उसने Infosys ने क्या किया, guys, प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज कर दिया है. ठीक है, प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज हो गया है, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा लेवल भी चेंज हुआ है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी, गाइस. सो वी हैव अ नंबर 500. ओके, then int and temp, then set n equal to 0. So n equal to 0 we just set, and guys set temp equal to number. So temp equal to we have 500, guys. Okay, let's see. Then guys we have a loop. हमारे पास क्या है, loop है. We have a loop. So while temp is greater than 0, so temp value is 500, guys. Okay, and 500 is greater than 0. Yes, condition is true, guys. Okay, and it will enter in the loop. Okay, so guys, condition is true and it will enter in the loop, guys. So let's see. So we have a temp equal to 500. 500 is greater than 5 and 0. So n equal to, guys, n. The value of n is nothing but a 0, guys. So 0 plus temp divided by 5. It means, guys, 100 is there. Clear? So finally, guys, we got n equal to 100 right now in the first iteration. Then temp equal to temp divided by 10. So temp value is 500. 500 divided by 10. It is nothing but a temp is now temp is 50. Clear? So let's move to next, guys. Next iteration, let me change the color for that. So for the next iteration, guys, temp 50 is greater than 0, condition is true, guys. It will enter n equal to n. The value of n is now, guys, n is 100, right? Plus 100 plus, guys, temp divided by 5. It means, guys, 10. Clear? So now 110. Okay, the value of n is 110. 110. And temp equal to, guys, temp equal to temp divided by 10. Temp divided by 10 means 50 divided by 0. Sorry, 50 divided by 10 means 5. Clear? Then again loop is executed. Let me check and change the color. For next iteration, guys, 5 is greater than 0. Clear? 5 is greater than 0. So yes, condition is true. N equal to n plus n equal to n is nothing but a 110 plus, and temp divided by 5 means 5 divided by 5 means 1. Okay, then temp equal to temp divided by 10 means 5 divided by 10 is nothing but a 0. So guys, finally we got temp equal to 0. And guys, one more thing, that is n equal to 111. So we got finally, guys, n equal to 111. Clear? And guys, we need to print n only. Okay, so answer is, guys, 111. I hope, guys, this question is clear to everyone. Okay, let's move to next question, guys. Next question, we have I equal to 3, do print I. So you need to find the output of this code, guys. So let's see. So I equal to 3, and we have a do while loop. So in the do while loop, I hope you all know, first of all, at least minimum one time condition, sorry, minimum one time iteration is iterated, right? मतलब एक बार तो चलता ही है. So let's see. I equal to 3, print I is printed means 3. I equal to I minus 1. It means the value of I is 2. Then it will check the condition while I does not equal to 0. Condition is true. Again, it will execute print 2. Then again I equal to I minus 1. Now I equal to 1 is there. I does not equal to 0. Condition true. It will again print 1. And guys, I equal to I minus 1. It means I equal to 0. And guys, then again condition is checked. I does not equal to 0. Condition is false, guys. So loop not executed. Loop is stopped. And our final answer is, guys, 3 1 2. Clear? Let's move to next question, guys. Next we have A equal to 1, B equal to 2. Let's see. A equal to 1, B equal to 2. Then let me change the color for solving. So A equal to A plus 2. A equal to A plus 2 means, guys, 3. Okay, then B equal to B minus 5. B minus 5 means, guys, minus 3. Then A equal to A plus 3 minus 3 plus 3, it means 0. So the value of A is, guys, 0. Then A is greater than 0. Yes, condition is true. A 0 is greater than minus 3. Condition is true. So guys, hello is printed. Clear? Let's move to next question, guys. Okay, so before moving next question, guys, and if you have not joined our Telegram channel, guys, go and join, because guys, I will share this solution PDF, explanation PDF on our Telegram channel only. Okay, and many times, guys, and I am unable to make a video on YouTube, right? So at that time, I will I will update you on our Telegram channel. That's why I am saying you to join our Telegram channel, guys. Okay, So let's continue our remaining questions, guys. So let's see. So we have a number 156. Okay, then int n sum, set n equal to number, n equal to number is set, guys, 156, and set sum equal to 0, sum equal to 0 is set, guys. Okay, next we have a while n is greater than 0. So let's see, guys. So let me change the color first. So let's see. So we have a, guys, n is 156. I am writing like this. Okay, and sum is 0. So while n is greater than 0, condition is true, guys. 156 is greater than 0, obviously condition is true. N equal to n divided by 10. So first of all, n equal to n divided by 10 is there, guys. So yes, so n equal to is 156 divided by 10 means, guys, 15. Okay, so sum equal to sum plus n. So the value of n is, guys, nothing but a 15. So 15 is added in the sum, guys. Clear? Next we have a, guys, again loop is executed. Yes, of course. Why? Because we have a value of n is nothing but a 15, guys. Clear? Then n equal to n divided by 10. So n equal to n divided by 10, we got 1. The value of n is nothing but a 1. Then sum equal to sum plus n. Sum equal to sum plus n means, guys, 15 plus 1, we got 16, guys. Okay, now after that, guys, again loop is executed for, because 1 is greater than 0, condition is true. N equal to n divided by 10. 1 divided by 10 is nothing but a 0, and 0 is added to this sum is, guys, 16, and 16 plus 0 is nothing but a 16. So our final answer is, guys, 16. I hope, guys, this question is also clear to everyone. Okay, so next question is this one, guys, है ना. So I equal to 1 is, guys, है ना, I equal to 1 is there. Then while I is less than 6. So let's see, guys. So the value of I is 1, so 1 is printed, right? Then I equal to I plus 2 means I value is 3. So 3 is printed. Again loop is executed, right? Then print I is printed with 5. Okay, then, guys, then I is 7, guys. Okay, 5 is printed, then I is 7, guys, and condition is false, so it will only print 135. आई होप गाइस दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. वेरी इजी है ना, बहुत इजी था इसलिए मैं जल्दी से बता दिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, गाइस, और ज्यादा इजी. A and B, we have 2 and 5, and we need to perform AND operation, guys. How to perform? We need to convert binary of this is this, and we need to perform AND operation. 0 0 0. So finally we got 0 as a output, guys. Next question, guys, you need to print some pattern in this question. So let's see. We have a I equal to 0, guys. I equal to 0, and J is executed from 0 to equal to I. Okay, it means, guys, I value is 1, so J value is also 1, है ना. If I value is 2, so J value is 1 2. For example, I value is 3, then it will execute 1 2 3. For example, I value, है ना, this one is I value, guys, and this one is J value. Okay, this one is 4 1 2 3 4, है ना, like that, guys, and so on. Okay, so now the finally is, guys, finally is num equal to 1. Okay, no worries. Then print num first of all 1 is printed, then num plus plus means num value is 2. But, guys, we have a j equal to 0, and first of all I equal to 0. So, guys, j is greater than equal to 0, condition is true. It will execute only one time, so it means, guys, it will print only 1. In the next iteration it will print 1 2, it will print 1 2 3, and so on till I equal to n. Okay, and n is nothing but a 5, guys, in this question, I think. Clear, guys? So finally you got 1 2 3 4 5. This one is a pattern, guys, है ना. So I hope, guys, this question is clear to everyone. So I think this one is the last question. Yes, so let's see, guys. This question is very easy, है ना, and this question is also related to yesterday video that I am putting in हाँ लास्ट वीडियो जो मैंने बताया था ना, गाइज, सेम टू सेम वही क्वेश्चन है. मैंने आपसे कल ही बोल दिया था कि, गाइज, ये वाला जो टेबल दे रहा हूँ मैं, इसको आस्की कोड वाली टेबल को पेस्ट कर लेना, कहीं पर रख लेना, क्योंकि ये बहुत यूज होने वाली है आपके एग्जाम में. ठीक है, सो आई डोंट नो, गाइज, आपने उसको सेव करा या नहीं करा, but yes, guys, that is very useful for you. So let's see. For this question, guys, you have a b c d, and you need to add all the things, and you need to print int value. How to print value? ASCII code of A is 97, B 98, C 99, and D 100. You just add all this thing and you will got a answer, guys. Very easy. Okay, so I hope, guys, all questions are clear to you. Clear, guys? Let's meet on the next video, and slot na 3 p.m. slot. And, guys, pattern is remain same, pattern is same, but, guys, platform is change. Okay, sorry, platform is change, guys, but pattern, exam pattern is not change, guys. Clear? 100 minutes are there, and you have a aptitude listening, pseudo, and puzzle or verbal. You have all 5 sections, and you need to solve all this in 100 minutes, guys. clear. So I hope guys each and everything are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you just ask me in comment, है ना, if you have, है ना. And then guys, and if you are not joined our Telegram channel, guys, please go and join here, because here we are daily uploading the placement material, hiring updates, PDFs, right? And if you have not downloaded yesterday PDF, so you can go and check out this PDF as well, guys. I am already shared this PDF on our Telegram channel, guys, so you can go and download this PDF from our Telegram channel only, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, friends, and let's meet on the next video. And if you have not joined our this series, which series? This one, guys. Just wait 1 minute, huh? Let me open that one. This one, guys. Day, है ना? Day 7, है ना? So here, guys, we are daily discuss the interview questions, logic based questions, right? Concepts. So if you want to join this series, guys, you can go and join this series on our WhatsApp status only, guys. I am daily uploading one question on our WhatsApp status. Okay, and if you really want to participate or really want to develop your logic, guys, you can join this series on our WhatsApp status. So you just message me on WhatsApp. How to message on WhatsApp, guys? You can go and check out our WhatsApp group and message the admin that, sir, I am interested to join practice series, please save my number. So I will save your number or update your number in my database. Then, guys, you will able to see our WhatsApp status, guys. Okay, so it's all about today's video, guys. Let's meet on the next video with day 8 solution. Okay, जो मैंने कल आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया था उसका हम सॉल्यूशन डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this, friends. Bye bye, take care. Okay, and if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, bye bye.